We're winding down the days to the end of the hurricane season. The countdown has begun. It usually ends officially on November 30th for the Atlantic and the Caribbean. We know out in the Pacific it's a similar date, even though they start a couple of weeks earlier. So right now across the Caribbean it's mostly settled and no tropical cyclone development expected. But at this time of the year, as we get closer to December, we do tend to see those cold fronts pushing through. So there's also a likelihood of the breeze picking up as we do so. So the breeze will definitely be around for those in Tobago, especially along those eastern areas through Scarborough down towards Bacalet into Canaan as well. You'll notice the palms swaying, those flags rippling as you go through your morning with that breeze continuing. There will be a bit of moisture as well, so don't be surprised if you do see a few brisk showers pushing through, especially near the hillsides. Meanwhile, for Trinidad, a few pre-dawn showers are likely, so there may be some damp spots first thing as you head out. But apart from those early morning showers, the sunshine will be out in places, and you'll also notice the breeze picking up, especially around eastern areas, and that is where you'll see the palm swing around Manzanilla and then going down to Moruga as well. But the breeze down towards the south will be accompanied by a lot more moisture. Scattering of showers expected as you go through your morning. The sunshine here will be a few less as we see as you go through the morning, but definitely towards the afternoon the sunshine may be coming out in places as well towards the southland. Temperature wise, looking at a low of 23 degrees Celsius in Trinidad, maybe touching 22 in those sheltered valleys around Arima. And through Wednesday on the Tobago shores, you notice the winds will continue to blow there. Through Thursday as well, the wind will be now accompanied by a bit of haze. There's a slight slither of Saharan dust pushing through, so it could turn hazy at times as you go through your Thursday, but meanwhile the heat will always be there, possibly 32 degrees Celsius likely in Trinidad as we go through the next few days. Heading offshore, looking at those strong easterly winds of 20 knots, locally strong in places, and that will lead to whitecaps and sea spray. Waves of 2 meters likely as you go through the Caribbean, pushing close to 2.5 meters the further offshore you head in the Atlantic. And you got your high tide at 7:15 a.m., next one at 7 p.m. Now, of course, the Caribbean, it's mostly settled. We talked about that one cold front pushing near towards the Leeward Islands. Out towards Florida, we have yet another cold front set to sink southwards. So that means that Havana will likely see some cool showers, no higher than 27 degrees Celsius likely there. Maybe a touch rumble of thunder as well. Out towards Eastern Caribbean, we pick up a few showers towards St. John's, Antigua and into St. Kitts. Meanwhile, the sunshine will be out for much of the Eastern Caribbean, despite those brisk showers coming through around Trinidad and Tobago, and then down towards Georgetown, pick up a bit more cloudiness and some more showers. But for us, breezy and sunny, brisk showers around and a comfortable 32 degrees Celsius. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.